Hello and welcome back to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog. In this short video, we are going to see how to download the Kali Linux ISO file. Kali Linux operating system is popular among hackers and cybersecurity experts as it comes with an extensive set of penetration and testing tools pre-installed. To begin the installation, let's open the Google Chrome browser and go to the official Kali Linux website, kali.org. On the home page, you will see the highlighted download button, which will take you to the download page. You can also go there by clicking on the Get Kali option in the header. So, let's click the download button here. Now we are on the download page of Kali Linux. Before we jump in and start the download, let me explain briefly about all the download options that are available, what are they and which one you should choose based on your requirements. This first one is the ISO image file, which is more like a virtual bootable disk for installing Kali. Next is the virtual machines with inbuilt Kali ISO. It will give you an ability to run Kali in virtual environment without altering your physical machine. Moving next is the Kali Linux for ARM architecture machines. You can also install Kali for Android smartphones by downloading this and using it in cloud-based hosting servers. You can check the supported hosting servers here. Other additional options are containers, a live OS image that lets you use Kali directly without installation. And last is Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is more like a terminal-based Kali Linux interface within Windows OS. For this tutorial, we are going to download an ISO image, which is the first option in the list, so let's click on it. On the next page, you will get options to choose between Windows and Apple OS. You can choose from these four options, either a stable ISO, or weekly updated ISO, or a core ISO without additional packages, or everything in one. There's a purple theme of Kali Linux also available down below. Depending on what you choose, the file size will differ. I will choose the first stable ISO. By clicking on the small download icon, you can start downloading ISO images. Since the file size is around 4 GB, it will take some time to download. I will conclude this video here, and in the next video we will see how to install this ISO in a virtual machine. So don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.